The day has arrived, our early bird morning hike, another amazing fitness event brought to you by Amigas from My Soul. We're starting exactly at 7 a.m. sharp. This is the first time we actually do a hiking event filled with amigas, and we said there's even men welcome today, children 13 and over. So we're excited. We're expecting a large crowd, and this is our first time we do the Hollywood hike as a group. You asked for it, and so now we're delivering, and it's pretty early, and we can't wait to start. The view from up here is beautiful, and I'm visualizing that at the end of this hike, everyone's going to be feeling amazing because we're going to conclude with some Kundalini yoga. So get ready. We're taking you on the journey with us. We just started and it's already feeling great.